Before we get into lesson 5 today, which is graphing proportional relationships, I thought we should definitely take some time to just review graphing on a coordinate plane. So it's been a while. And so after you've completed now, making sure you're logged into BuzzMath and watch that video, this is your next step. You're looking in that quiz. And on the agenda, it tells you you're going to spend about, say 7 to 8 minutes working through just graphing coordinate points and identifying coordinate points. So when you get to thatquiz.org, you're going to go to the geometry column here and down to where it says points right here. You're going to click on points and a coordinate graph is going to appear in front of you. On the left-hand side, we're going to start with a length of 10. You can do groups of 10. And then your level, just start at 3. They only give you 3 levels to try, 3, 4, and 5, but start at 3. And you're going to be able to do identify and plot. So you're going to choose both here. And then everything else is fine. You don't need to click anything. It's going to give you all 4 quadrants, which is what we want. And so right now, when you look, it's asking you to click on the point -3, -3. So you always start at 0. And remember, on a coordinate plane, you go left or right first on the x-axis, and then you go up or down on the y. So I'm going to go over to -3, and then I'm going to go down to -3, and I'm going to click, and it's going to plot that point. And then it should show that I got that one right over here on the right-hand side. Okay, the next one, it's also going to have me plot -3 and -1. So I'm going to go to the left, -3, down, -1, click. Now they've changed it on you. They want you to identify what's plotted. So you're going to get both. You're going to either plot the points or identify what you see. So that means this is over 1, 2 to the left, which means that's -2. And then it's going up +1. So your coordinate point there is -2, 1. Hit OK. Same thing here. They're going to have you identify the point. Now, I can't go left or right here. And so that means I'm at 0 for x. But then I'm going to go down 1. And so that means I'm at -1 here. So my coordinate point is at 0, -1. Okay. And then it'll switch on you again. So now, for example, you would plot the point 0, -1. So I'm not going anywhere on the x. I'm at 0, and I go down to -1 and click. And then you're just going to keep going. So you're going to have a set of 10 in each level. And so then once you get done with level 3, try level 4, and then do 10 problems there, and then level 5. And so just take your time, make sure don't hurry, read your coordinate points accurately, make sure you're understanding that x and y axis and how you're plotting and identifying. And then when you're all set here, you'll go to the next step on the agenda, which is learning and going through a lesson on graphing proportional relationships in lesson 5.